Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this particular video, we are going to solve some questions which they might be asked in RBI Assistant 2026 exam. Okay, so this is like practice set 2 and we have already uploaded one set, okay, in the previous class, and if you are not yet watched that video, please watch that. Now let's jump into the question. So first one. So what is the first question? In a coaching batch, the average score of 18 students in a test is 62. So totally how many students are there? 18 students are there. And what is the average? 62. Next, one student who scored 80 leaves and new student joins. Okay, the person who scored 80 left and another person joined. Okay, after which the average score becomes 61. So because of this, what happens? So 62 is becoming 61. So what is the score of new student? Okay, so how to find the new student in the sense? Okay, so person who we want to replace, that is old student. Now here, what is the initial average? 62. Now what is the new average? 61. Now it is increasing or decreasing? It is decreasing. So minus. So how much it is decreasing? 1. And totally how many members are there? 18. So into 18. So what is the old person, that is whom I want to send out? 80. So 80 minus 18. So answer will be 62. Okay, so the score of new student is nothing but 62. Next one. So three persons P, Q and R can finish an order alone in 15, 30 and 40 days respectively. So P, Q and R. So how many days? 15 days, 30 days and 40 days. So first thing, you need to take LCM. So what is the LCM of 15, 30 and 40? So it will be like 120. So you'll be considering this 120 is like total work. So 120 part of work is there. Now, so P can complete this 120 work in how many days? 15 days. That means in one day, how much part of the work will be done? So 120 divided by 15, which is 8. So similarly, P 120 divided by 30. So 4. Next R 120 divided by 40, which is 3. Now, they all start together. Okay, who is that? They all? P, Q and R. So P, Q and R, in one day, how much part of the work will be completed? 15 part of the work will be completed. But person R left after 4 days. That means for the first 4 days, P, Q, R, these three members worked. So in one day, how much work? 15. So 4 into 15, it will be like 60. That means out of 120 part of the work, 60 part of the work is done. So what is the remaining part? 60 part is remaining. Okay. Now, so after that, after 4 days, who left? R left. In how many total days will the work will be completed? If R left, this remaining 60 work will be completely done by P and Q. So P and Q in one day, how much part of the work? 12 part of the work. So 60 by 12. So which is 5. Okay. Now see here, P, Q and R, they worked for 4 days, which they have given in the question. Okay. Next, P and Q, they worked for how many days? 5 days. So just now we have found that. So they are asking for the total number of days. So what is the total number of days? 4 plus 5, which is 9 days. Okay. Next one. A motorboat travels 96 km upstream in 8 hours and 270 km downstream in 15 hours. So upstream. So what is the upstream speed? So we'll be taking x minus y. Okay. So x minus y. So x minus y. Sorry, 1 second. So okay. So x minus y, that is speed, is equal to distance by time. So what is the distance? 96 km. So what is the time taken? 8 hours. So what is 96 by 8? We'll be getting 12. Okay, that is 12 km per hour. So this is nothing but upstream speed. Next step. And 270 km downstream in 15 hours. So downstream in the sense x plus y. So how many kilometers? 270 kilometers. So in how many hours? 15 hours. So what is 270 by 15? We'll be getting 18 km per hour. So what is this? Downstream speed. Okay, if the ratio of speed of boat to speed of stream is A is to B. So how to find the value of speed of boat and how to find the speed of stream. So in order to find the speed of boat, you need to add upstream speed and downstream speed. So if I add this 18 plus 12, you'll be getting 30, and you have to divide it by 2. So what is 30 by 2, which is 15? Next, what is the speed of stream? In this case, what you need to do, you have to take that difference and divide it by 2. So 18 minus 12, 6. So what is half of 6? 3. Okay, so the ratio will be 5 is to 1. So this is A is to B is like 5 is to 1. And what they are asking you to find, what is the value of A plus B? So what is A plus B? 6. The answer for this particular question is like 6. Next one. Two courier vans start at 6:15 a.m. from Lucknow and Kanpur, which are 480 kilometers apart. So distance they have given is like 480 kilometers and drive towards each other. So how they are driving, that is they are moving in opposite direction. So opposite direction in the sense, what will be the relative speed? You have to add the speed. So what is the speed of first one? 54. What is the speed of second one? 66. So what is 54 plus 66, which is 120? So speed is nothing but 120. Now distance by speed is equal to what? Time. So what is 420 by 124? So answer will be 4 hours. So after how many hours they will meet? So after 4 hours. Okay. Next, a contractor planned to complete a road repair job in 55 days by hiring 150 workers. So after 40 days, he found that 5 by 6 of the work was completed. See, that is out of 6 work, 5 work was completed. So remaining how many work? 1 work. Okay. So this is like completed work and this is like pending work. Okay, so completed by pending is like 5 by 1. Now who will be completing this 5 work? So 150 workers. So 150 workers completed the 5 work in how many days? 40 days. So into 40. Now this remaining work has to be done by whom? Again, so here, okay, so they want to complete the work on time, that is 55 days. In that 55 days, already 40 days is gone. So remaining 15 days is pending. And what they are planning to do, they are planning to transfer some of the workers to some other job. That is, out of 150 workers, I want to transfer some members. So how many members I need to transfer? Okay, so this is 1 time and this is like 10 time. Again 1 time, this is like 2 time. So 150 minus x is equal to 80. So value of x will be 70. So answer for this particular question is like 70. Okay, so otherwise, if you want to solve the same question based on ratio, see, so pending is like how many work? 1 work. So if they are completing 5 work in 40 days, then 1 work will be done in how many days? Okay, so here they want to do 1 work. So in how many days? 8 days. But remaining how many days are there? 15 days. Okay, so you already know, like when work is same, days and persons are inversely proportional. That means what will be the percent ratio? 15 and 8. So initially how many members? 150. So 15 equal to 150. So out of 15, now only 8 members are there. That means how many members I'm going to remove? 7 members. So 7 is equal to how much? So if 15 is equal to 150, 7 will be 70. So again, answer will be 70. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you find this video helpful, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.